So a little backstory, if you don't already know, Joey Savatgy right there has signed with Triumph to race the 250 in 2024. And a little bit of a rule problem means that he can't race it in the 250 class because he pointed out, or whatever it was before, that rule doesn't exactly exist anymore, but they have said that he can't race the 250. So he's been asking around on the internet if he could race his 250 in the 450 class, which would be kind of cool. I mean, do I think he's going to do very good with it, considering how absolutely stacked this year is? I think that, like, if you look at the numbers, like the 12 or 14 of the riders are factory guys. So, yes, this would be a factory bike, but it'd be racing a 250 against, the deepest 450 field we've had in a very long time. But he did get some answers. One from Justin Starling, who made it in Tampa one year, and he also said that McElrath did it in Daytona. So there has been people racing 250s in the 450 class. It's just going to be, is it going to be very competitive this year? Uh, I don't know. Personally, in the comments below, you guys tell me, and I'll leave a little card up on the right-hand side uh, for the last video I made about this that will explain the whole rule thing a little bit better. But he did say, quote, "To be part of the Triumph Racing is very special. For where I am at my career, it gives me the opportunity to be back racing on factory equipment, which will allow me to prove to myself that I'm still capable of being a title contender. As the Triumph is an all-new bike, I expect to take some time to get used to it, but it was actually quite easy, quick and easy. In particular, the chassis has a soft feeling that makes the bike really easy and comfortable to ride. The base platform of the standard bike is a great place to work from, and I'm excited to get started with this new chapter in my career." Now, obviously, he's not going to be racing. I don't know if this is going to be a thing or if he is select rounds. Who knows? For him, it probably wouldn't be bad just to get some time on the bike, in a racing setting, qualifying, whatever. But he will be racing the 250 in motocross. So for him, it probably wouldn't be that bad. Or you could just say, why not just keep dialing it in for motocross, and then you're all good and happy for what you actually can race full time. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, do you think he can do it? Do you think he should do it? And if he does do it, where does he end up? Because again, massively packed 450 field. But whatever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.